Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada. In this video, we're going to show you how to find and download a receipt for your booking on United Airlines, perfect for expense tracking or reimbursement. Before your next United Airlines flight, make sure you're packed like a pro. Check out our ultimate travel packing list, everything you need for a smooth, stress-free trip. We've linked our favorite travel essentials in the description below. To start, go to united.com, then click on the profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen. On the field provided, enter your email or mileage plus number. Then click on Continue. Next, enter the password. Then click on Sign In. A verification code will be sent to the number connected on your account. Enter the 6-digit code on the fields provided. Then click on Continue. Once you're signed in, you will see that the Profile tab is still showing. Click on the X icon to close it. Then, at the upper left side of the screen, you will see several tabs. Click on the tab that says My Trips. A drop-down list will then appear. Under the section that says Manage My Trips, you will see an option for Find a Receipt. Click on Find a Receipt. On this page, you will see two options to search for your receipt. You could choose to search the receipt by credit or debit card number, where you would be asked to provide the traveler's first and last name, the last 4 digits of the card used, and the travel date range. You could also choose to search the receipt by confirmation or e-ticket number, where you would be asked to provide the confirmation or e-ticket number and the traveler's first and last name. Click and follow the instructions of the option you wish to choose. Then click on Search. That's how you find a receipt on your United Airlines online account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.